Okay, here's my final term project for embedded systems. It's a scoreboard that's gonna take buttons RB0 through RB7. It's gonna do these specific functions. RB0 and 1 are gonna do the scores. RB2 and 3 are gonna be reset buttons. RB4 and 5 start and stop the game clock, and RB7 is going to be the buzzer. So I ended up not using the keypad in the end because I couldn't get it to work, so I attached the code for what I have here, and I switched out the keypad for RGB LED. And I also have all of my schematics for that in this sheet here. So for the demonstration, how it works, I explained what all the buttons did, so I'll just show you. Right now the light is red because the clock is stopped, and it's set at 720 seconds because that's 12 minutes for each quarter. I'm just gonna play it as like a basketball game, for example. So when you press RB0, it's really hard to tell in the video, but it's a purple light, and the button, the score goes up. You can see that's the home score. And when you press RB1, it switches to the orange light, and the away score counts up as many times as you keep pressing the button. So as the game goes on, you can switch. That's the home, away, home, away. And then once the game is over, you can press RB2, and which turns this into a white light, and it resets the game scores. So while you're playing the game, you want to keep track of time. So you can use RB4, and that makes the game clock go and turns the light green. And then you can press RB5 to stop the game clock, and it'll turn the light red. And lastly, RB7 is a buzzer. It turns the white light, so if there's a foul or the end of the quarter, you can press the buzzer. And you can go back and press RB4 to keep continuing, RB5 to stop, RB3 to reset it, and keep playing with the scores, and reset the scores again. And that is the basketball scoreboard.